தினேஷ் அவர்களுக்கு பரிசுகளும் பொன்னாடைகளும் வழங்கப்பட்டது. நம்ம டெல்டா சைக்கிள்ங்கிற வந்து எப்பொழுதுமே ஒரு குடும்பம் மாதிரி அந்த குடும்பம் மேலும் 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 வளர வேண்டும். அதற்காக நாங்கள் அயராது நாங்கள் எல்லாம் பாடுபடுவோம். இன்று நம்ம வந்து அருண் ஸ்கேன் டாக்டர் அருண் ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ்க்கு வந்து இன்றைக்கி வந்து இந்த பரிசுகள்லாம் நம்ம வழங்கியிருக்கோம். இங்கே நமக்கு வந்து புனேலேருந்து பிரதீப் குட் போலே சார் வந்திருக்காங்க. சாருக்கு வந்து 69 ஏஜ். சார் வந்து ஒரு கிரிக்கெட் பிளேயர். உண்மையாகவே சாரோட ஏஜுக்கு இங்கே 69 ஏஜுக்கு வந்து விளையாடு உண்மையாக எங்களுக்குலாம் ஒரு பெருமையாக இருக்குது. நம்ம டெல்டா சைக்கிள் சாரை வந்து ஒரு சிறப்பு உரையாற்றுமாறு தாழ்மையுடன் கேட்டுக்குவேன். அதையெல்லாம் கொஞ்சம் நம்ம கவனித்து கேட்போம். தேங்க்யூ சார். தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச்.
Thank you so much for this. First of all, you must be wondering what this cricketer is doing here. But there is some connect with bicycle, I'll tell you that. First of all, thank you so much for that mention of cricket. I hold an Indian record. I am the oldest Indian to score a century. Last year I scored this in the World Cup. We have 60 plus World Cup, 50 plus World Cup. So I am in the Indian team for 60 plus World Cup. So in that World Cup match against rest of the world, I scored a century and that gets an Indian record. Oldest Indian ever. Now my connection with cycling. National champion, if you go to internet, you might have heard also, Rustam Havewala. Rustam Havewala used to sit next to me in the college at Lala Lajpat Rai. Okay. And so that is one connect. Second thing, Bapu Malcolm, another. We used to have something called, Bombay Pune race. Promise toothpaste and all, or Balsaras. They used to actually organize that. And it was a big event in those days. And it was because basically you have to climb those ghats and all. And those who clear the ghats fastest, they used to call him King of Ghats. That honor was given to him, special prize. So it was a big race. Bapu Malcolm used to stay in our colony. So that is another collect of bicycle with me. So I think I'm not in the wrong place. Thank you for inviting, very kind of you. Absolute brilliant performance. And I'm sure with you, all of you start doing well and participate. I think competition is more important, like Satya is doing what I am doing at this age. Spending time is one thing, but competition is something different. You should take part. Whether you win or not, it doesn't matter. Because if everybody decides why I should go there, I'm not going to win, then only winner will be there to compete and nobody else. That should not happen. That is how actually we will get champions in Olympics and all. We would like to see. If not you, I think your age is gone for Olympics, but your students can do that. You have to prepare for them. Olympics is a wonderful platform. Indian cyclists have done well, so I think you should look for that now. That is the aim for you guys now, to look for something bigger, and I'm sure you will do it with a lot of encouragement coming from this place. Arun Sports is doing wonderful swimming facility. Your place can come there and do some gym. Thank you so much, sir. Pleasure to be here.